Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? So today, what's for lunch? Well, I have something special. My coworker made this delicious Dahl curry and she gave me the recipe. So I will make it, but I'm gonna tell you the ingredients that she gave me. I'm having some chicken meat. I bought that at Walmart. It's super delicious and low fat. Some steamed vegetables and a mama lupa tortilla. You can use any tortilla that you want, of course. So let me just get my notes here and I'm gonna tell you how you can make this delicious meal. So it's the red lentil Dahl curry. You take an onion and you cut it into small pieces. She says spray the frying pan and get it to like a medium heat. You're gonna add a half a tablespoon of mustard and cumin seeds, okay, each, and about 10 curry leaves, all right? You take 2 cups of the lentils, wash them really well, and add it to the skillet. You're gonna cover it with some water. She just likes to cover it so there's enough water to cook it, all right? And you let it cook for a while, and then you're gonna add a half a teaspoon or more of turmeric, and you know that turmeric's really, really healthy for you. Sprinkle some pepper and salt, and she said 3 small crushed garlic cloves, okay? You add that after, and add either 2 tablespoons, she says coconut milk or regular milk is delicious. So it is super delicious. I'm so excited to have it today for my meal, and I'm going to try to make it, and hopefully it'll come out as yummy as hers and you'll enjoy it, and then I'll do a video to show you how to make it myself, okay? So that's for lunch today. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and visit me at my Facebook group, Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips on Facebook, and tell your friends to come aboard my health journey. Bye.